Hello. All right. So today, in today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you. I'm just gonna make just a little demonstration about how to do certain things on Google. As a super user, I'm the super user. I have the super user access to this account, this Google Console. So I wanted to show you how to do a couple of things. A couple of things I do for clients as a Google Workspace administrator or administrative specialist. All right, so I'm going to show you some certain things today. I'll be showing you how to. We already set up this. We already set up this console. We already created our Google Cloud identity, integrated our our organization to our domain. All right, and we've also configured our MS records to be able to process our emails, send emails, and receive emails. All right, so we are here in the direct the web console right now, the Google Cloud web console. All right, and so I'm gonna be showing you how to um, create organizational units or configure organizational units. All right, so we sign in. We're all signed in now. So we just go to the directory. Under the directory, you have your organizational units, right? So it's important to know that your organizational unit is actually the name of your company. That is the name of your company. Like this the name of this organization is Nick Cloud. All right, so it can be anything, and this is what you achieve when you are setting up your cloud identity for your organizational account. All right, so this is the name of our organization. This is Nick Cloud. This is the name of our organization, and this is the parent organization. Whatever other units is called an organizational unit or organizational units. All right. So whatever units, this is like a folder that is going to contain the other child units or child OUs that you're going to be creating under this. This is a parent, and these other ones are the babies. All right. The child organizational unit, and under a child organizational unit, you can actually create a subunit. All right, you can create a subunit under that, under the under the organizational units, right? The child organizational unit. Now we're gonna create um uh an organizational unit. All right here. We just click there. So this is what I do for clients. So we can name it. We can say marketing department, handle. You can say handles sales, handle email marketing, promotions, and sales. Right? We click here. So this gives you an idea of what this particular child organization does for your company, right? In case you want to have a meeting with them. Then under this, we can add something, a subunit here, just to maybe there's another group under this marketing department. Um, let's say probably appointment setters, right? Appointment setters. Maybe your appointment setters are different from your actual marketing department marketers. All right, so we have marketers, the people who who engage maybe email marketing, sales marketing, and everything. And then there are people after the marketers might have generated leads. There are other people to set up the appointments. All right, to discuss whatever it is you want to discuss with the clients. All right, so um, handles appointments for leads, right? Leads, right? We create it. And this is right under the child organizational unit called marketing department, right? Now, what do you do next? All right. Now you go to your user. This is what I do for companies. You go to user, and then we assign users, or we assign users that are supposed to be working under these organizations, right? So you can click anybody. Maybe Stephanie works there. And we click on more actions, and then you change organizational units. Then we say that Stephanie is in marketing units. And we click, if you do not want to select this for, you can click here. Remember, we have a sub unit here. You can click appointments, but here we're going to be choosing this one, and then you click it. You can actually have a particular user can actually have multiple departments that they are working in, all right? It depends on what your company is going for, all right? You see, I can also select this for Stephanie, and I'll click on this and change organizational, and then I'll choose this, and then I'll apply. But in this case, I don't want to do that. So perfect, we have chosen Stephanie as one of the marketing people. Now, the next thing you do is you go to apps. Let's say there are things that you don't want those marketers to have access to in your Google Workspace. This is where you control it. You come to Workspace status. Now, what department are you trying to work on? You're working on the marketing department. Then you choose a marketing department, right? Marketing departments, right? Now, for the marketing, you're working on marketing department right now. Maybe you don't want them to have access to app sheets. You don't want them to have access to this. You don't want them to have access to this, right? Maybe they only have access to emails, right? And you wanna, you wanna, you wanna turn off access to all of this, right? So you turn off to have access to this, and then you write off. And you turn it off. He says turn off the service prevents users from creating, exactly. That's what we're trying to achieve. Then you turn it off. Now, go back to Stephanie's account, right? Stephanie is our marketing person. We go back to our account. Where is Stephanie? We go back to Stephanie's account. We click on this. We're looking for Stephanie. All right, let's look for Stephanie. Let's go to email. Let's click on this. Wanted to see accounts. We just look for Stephanie. Let's click on this. See if Stephanie is here. Stephanie is not here. Let's look here. Let's click here. We're just looking for the accounts, right? Where is Stephanie? Stephanie. Where is Stephanie? Stephanie. Hmm. All right, see Stephanie. So we come to Stephanie. Here is Stephanie. Refresh Stephanie. Okay, Stephanie is refreshed. We come here. Look at this. Stephanie doesn't have access to Google. She doesn't have access to um, Google Chat. Sorry, Google Call. Um, she doesn't have access to our Google Drive because we turned that off for Stephanie. Now we can still go back and turn those things back on because, yeah, because we can, right? We go back to our parent organization, right? This is our, and then we say we don't want these things anymore. Like when you come here, it tells you off, but we don't want them to be off anymore. You click them, and we turn them back on. So for Stephanie, it's gonna turn right back on just the same way it turned off. All right, so this is how you create an organizational account and do all the settings, right? Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.